Welcome, Shavarni, to our podcast series.
Yes, welcome.
Thank you guys. Thank you for letting me part of your show, and it's an honor. I am a regular viewer of your show,
Thank
And-
you.
and since long I was waiting that you guys will call me, and finally the day has come.
To subscribe our channel as well, huh?
Yeah, there is a button over there.
Jokes apart, guys, the reason we called her in our show today is pretty much aligned to the objective of our podcast,
Correct.
which is helping an individual to start a business, keeping their current primary source intact or anywhere else. The reason she is here is because she has a corporate career of more than 15 years. She's a homemaker. And the main thing why
For which she is here.
she's an
she-
entrepreneur.
Yes.
What's the tenure of your journey, Shavarni?
It's almost about 16 years in corporate,
And in business?
and it's around 3 years.
Wow. So, guys, I think I'm going to get some answers about certain things that's running in my mind.
Yes.
So, first thing, why business after 16 years of corporate?
Right. Actually, business was never in my mind. Okay.
Oh,
I
Like us.
was a happy corporate person. Means getting a job through placement in recession time and then roaming around the world in a delivery lead role, getting a chance to work the CXOs of those companies. I was very fortunate to get to got those kind of exposure, and I was learning and growing. But being in depth in corporate, I realized that the growth I wanted to see financially and lifestyle wise, I was not reaching there.
oh, really?
Yeah, because I was comparing myself with some of my family members who are very close buddy to me,
Mm-hmm.
and my elder brother, my own uncle. They are into they are into traditional businesses,
Acha.
and the kind of choices they are having means financially, time wise. Whenever they are planning any vacation, they can choose by their own time. And whenever they are asking me, I every time used to tell, "Nahi, delivery hai."
Relatable.
Right? So, well, somewhere I am putting more effort, but financially also not reaching, time wise also I am bound. So, I wanted to get rid of, I wanted to see whether freedom is possible for me also.
Why didn't you leave your job and start something? Why
Oh
did
my
you?
god, how can I leave my job? Means I am a family person. There is so much
Ah.
dependency on my salary, guys.
I get
have taken a home, so
I
I
get
need to
that.
pay the bills.
I get
So leaving job and starting something, I was not that much risk taker,
I have to agree with you.
I think the story of every middle class, including me.
Yeah,
We are aspirational, but at the same time, family responsibilities are there.
We have to own that.
Hmm.
Yes.
Yeah.
How did you get into entrepreneurship? What you are doing right now? How did it happen? How did it come to your life?
so I did 2 years of my research that which business is for me, right?
Okay.
Because there are so many ideas.
True.
Like,
So why this
getting-
idea?
Sorry?
Why this idea then?
Which you are currently pursuing? Why did you choose that?
Right. So, as I was telling, there are so many ideas like opening a KFC franchisee, which is a huge
Wow.
money.
Yeah.
Some of my colleagues' friends, corporate colleagues' friends, opened that 5-man restaurant pub Okay.
Acha, okay.
and other ideas. But I was not sure what is for me.
Oh.
But I understood that before getting into something now, I need to understand my resources.
What do you mean by resources?
Like main investment is time, guys, right? In any business or anything. But as I was taking care of my home, I have a son, and managing corporate, managing home, I have a limited amount of time. Like mostly I can manage 2-3 hours in a day. After being so lengthy years in corporate also now, I couldn't afford more than 3-4 lakhs of rupees to start anything.
Okay.
That's actually reality. So true.
But the main thing is, guys, I didn't have any skill rather than IT. So business was looking some guidance, some expert who walked the journey
A roadmap.
to mitigate my risk of failing, you know.
True.
So, and I got this opportunity. I was extremely lucky that I got this opportunity from a connection of my corporate itself.
Okay.
Oh,
So I
That's
said,
amazing.
na, corporate was a blessing for me. So
One thing though, I'm very clear. I, being a bachelor, sometimes think that I don't have time. But today, when you are saying this, I'm very clear. It's an excuse that I've been giving myself.
yeah. Get married.
Go to the next question.
You're having a fantastic run, right? Amazing journey. Now, having this growth which you're having right now, where do you see yourself in the coming, let's say, 4 to 5 years?
I want to see myself owning business over all the continent, not only the countries.
Aspiration
Okay.
of everyone.
And the goal where I am working with the guidance of my business coach,
Mm-hmm.
that to create a 2 to 3,000 user base and generating a quickly 10 lakhs 1,000 USD recurring systems, a net profit.
Wow.
Okay,
Yes.
so I want to achieve that in this coming 4 years.
True aspirational entrepreneur, I must say.
And genuinely, we really wish you all the best. I mean, we hope you achieve that very, very fast.
Thank you, guys. Thank you for your wishes.
One quick closing note.
Yeah.
Any suggestion you want to give a person who wants to start a business?
Yeah, especially those who are watching this.
Correct.
See, I cannot give any suggestion. I can only share how I started. Okay?
Perfect.
I had that little bit of hunger that I need to do something and was looking a platform, at least a chance to play, you know. And when I started, I was not very much sure that this is it. But I understood that it is not the idea or the size of the business concept. It is about my commitment and my reason. I really wanted to do it, guys. So with that belief and faith in myself, now I started. And after I start, then only the journey started getting clear that what is actually is.
That's so. Faith can move mountains.
True. It's inspiring to hear. I think let's call it a day today, and let's plan something again in the next episode. So then,
And someone you have to promise us to be on our next invitation.
sure.
It's my pleasure. Thank you, guys. I would love to come to your channel again.
We hope to bring such experience more and more to you, and hope you will enjoy this. Please do subscribe, and stay happy, stay blessed. Take care.
Yep.
Back.